So all electrical system testing begins with a load test. With load test the battery to 1/2 the cold cranking amps for 15 seconds. Battery voltage should not drop below 9.6 volts. Go ahead and move the inductive amp clamp from the tester cable down to the vehicle's battery cable. There's more than one cable. In this case we're using the negative side. There's more than one negative cable. We've got to get around all of them. We'll crank the engine. We'll note the cranking amperage as it first begins to crank and as it continues cranking. We're focusing on a charging system problem, so I'm not going to make the vehicle not start. If we had a starter issue, we would want to crank the vehicle without starting. Amperages initially seemed a little high, but that's not the customer complaint, so we're going to go ahead and move to the alternator. I'm going to go ahead and load the alternator to 12 volts. We'll see what the charging output amperage is. If it's within spec, this is a 110 amp alternator, then I'm done. If it's not, and if it falls below spec, I go ahead and move the inductive amp clamp to the B positive cable on the alternator. I'll load it again to 12 volts and we'll see if we don't get to our 110 amp output. If we can't get to the alternator's B positive cable, we can leave the inductive amp clamp on the vehicle's starter cables. We will need to drop our expected output by 20%. So at the starter cable we should get 88 amps as our output. On the B positive we should get at or near 100% of our alternator's 110 amp rating. When we're done, we'll disconnect the inductive amp clamp and the alligator clips.